Hi techies, welcome back to TechieHelp. We just started our special internship batches, and it's your chance to learn, grow, and land amazing opportunities. In our previous batches, our intern got placed at MNCs with packages of 12 LPA, 8 LPA, and 6 LPA. And one of our even interns joined TechieHelp as the official team of TechieHelp after completing her internships. If you want to boost your career and grab real world experience, this is a perfect opportunity for you. Let me show all the details in my laptop. First of all, open your Chrome browser and search TechieHelp. And here you can see the official page of TechieHelp. So click on the internship and training. Then it will be redirect to the home page of training page. After that, we will be see the button of special batches. So click on that and you land the official page of special batches. So you can see in this program we will be providing welcome kit upon enrollment after completion of your payment. In this internship we will be cover all the things that require to crack the jobs. So you will be work on a real client client project. So we will be not providing something any project. We will be provide you real world client projects that help you to boost your resume and get chance to placed. And we will be also providing mentorship. Like if you want to crack any targeted company, like if you want to go any startups and any other companies, we will be providing DSS sheet and all the things. Okay. And in this session we will be also cover GitHub and profile enhancement, LinkedIn enhancement. Okay. And also we will be providing like a LinkedIn batches and TechieHelp student ID that's help you to verify that you will be you are a TechieHelp intern. Okay. So as you know, our highest placement is 12 LPA and we have trained almost 1000 students. Okay. So just why you join this program? So in this program we will be work on real world client projects that's based on startups. That's give chance you to make idea to production, and we will be work on industry ready experience mentors, and we will be providing also welcome kit upon your payment completion. Okay. So now the special batches price is 3000. Okay. So the available batches is Android development, front end, and full stack. If you want to any other domains, will be DM. Will be see on that. So what is eligibility criteria? So this internship is open to students from any academic year who possess to foundational understanding of the chosen domain. Whether you are in your first year or final year, if you have a basic knowledge and passion for learning, we are welcome in your program. Okay. So how it's work? So in this first step, we will be enrolling. So enroll and welcome kit. So sign up and receive your exclusive internship kit and kickstart your journey. Okay. Then get assigned your client projects. After that, we will be assign you a client project and we will be working on that. Also, we will provide a mentor for guide all the things how you can build the project and how you can handle the errors. Okay. Then we will be work on mentorship and submission work. So if you face any error and any project related issue, we will be providing a mentor that's help you, and again also experience and certificates after completion. Okay. So limited time offer is 3000. After sometimes it will be 5000. Okay. So make sure to register as soon as possible. So here can see the kit we will be providing. We will be providing internship t-shirts, bag, bottle, mug, stickers, diary, pen, ID cards. Okay, that's awesome. So now for enrollment, click on enroll now button, and it will be redirect to page. Okay, so it will be redirect to a form. So now, so in this form, fill all the details and make sure it's correct. Okay. And also in this referral name, if you have got any referral from anyone, fill the name. That will be help to gain some benefits. and after that update your resume, and the most important thing, you will be pay your enrollment fees. After that we will be submit our screenshot of payment, and after that we will be receive your welcome kit and we will be on board as a techie help a special batch intern. Okay, so now let's see how you can verify after the intern. So if you go on intern section, we will be see all the details. Okay, so this is our previous intern. So if I search for any college students who done with our batches, so if I search JIT, so here you can see the details. Okay, so if I go to visitor profile, it will open a student's profile that will have all the things are covered, like students means assigned project, and resume, certificates, and all the things. Okay, so just wait. Yes, yes, after that it will be redirect to a student profile page, and that's awesome. So it will redirect. So if I want to go on her LinkedIn and means GitHub account, I'll go through that. Okay, so this is our web development intern. So here you can see about and skills, student ID, college name, batch, passing year, and work done in this program. Okay, the most important thing, in the document section we have added resume, offer letter, and certificates. Okay, so that's help to, if any recruiter visit our site, it will help to recruit you. So if I click on resume, I'll see the student resume, what work it's done. Okay, so here you can see its resume. So I'll just come back and go to offer letter. Okay, that's awesome. Here you can see our offer letter, and just I go back and click on certificates. Just wait few seconds. Okay, so this is our official internship certificates that will cover all the things like your name, your TechieHelp student ID, and your college name, and your domain and duration. Okay, and the most important thing, in our program we will be providing a scanner. If you scan this scanner, it will be redirect to a student page. Okay, it will redirect to this page, so that will impress your recruiter after means if you sitting any interview and interviewer want to see your intern certificate, and you tell her scan this and verify it. Okay, so a recruiter scan this certificate, and after that it will redirect to a student page. Okay, and after that it will see all the thing about the details, how you can work on internship and all the things. So it's impressed. Okay, so if you face any doubts, please DM, and we'll be solving your doubts. Okay, so I hope you understand all the process. So please enroll in this program and get placement ready with TechieHelp. Thanks for watching.